Don, what did you want?
Stuff you want. We got plumbing to barbecues, bathtubs to
Tell me.
It's the end, Bill.
No, buddy, it's not. Hey, whatever it is, I can help you.
Come on down, we got free balloons and popcorn for the kiddies.
Get in.
Oh, a new car? Oh, it is so cute. Bill got you a new car?
Actually, I got me a new car, and it's all mine. I can afford the payments out of my allowance. You were right after all, Nikki. I needed a new car. Get in!
It's cramped back here.
I figured I didn't need the extra space since I'm no longer hauling kids and groceries full time. My responsibilities have changed, as both you and Bill keep reminding me.
Make it go really fast.
Where do you want to go? Downtown?
No, out of town. Past the airport, way out.
Can you put the top up, please?
Just relax. Enjoy the ride. It's the last time we'll all be together for the first time in Honeybee.
You named your impractical little car Honeybee?
Mm-hmm.
I think In Your Face would be a better name.
All right, everyone, be quiet. Let's go. I'd like to go with you to your baptism.
I'll be fine on my own.
Let's go pick up Bill, and all of us just keep on driving.
A new car out front?
Yes,
Where's the station wagon?
I traded it in.
Obviously, Barbara. Where?
Transmetro Motors. Where are you going?
I'm going to get it back.
Honestly, Bill, I'm sure it's on its way to the trash compactors by now.
How could you?
It was shot. It was a good old car, but we drove it into the
How could
ground.
you just get rid of it like that? How could you?
It was just a car, Bill.
It was our car. I got you that car for our 9th anniversary before you got sick. For Nikki and Marge in these houses, Sarah and Ben learned to drive in that car, and you just went and got rid of it. You got rid of us. You threw us away without so much as a second thought.
I'm sorry.
No, you can't do that. You can't just walk away. What exactly the heck is happening between you two? Should we expect you to resolve this? Or is it over?
All right, I really don't want to discuss it like this with all of this emotion.
Well, too bad, because this is our marriage, and what happens to you right now happens to us too.
Do you think the survival of this family isn't the foremost thing on my mind every waking minute?
Just hire a private detective and ferret out some unsavory facts about this new church of hers and end it once and for all.
We lost Home Plus. Sales were down. And the protesters, the boycotts, and everything else. The arrest, Valley National called in all our loans. No other bank will touch us. I'd have to sell the houses to keep the stores afloat. They stole our store. Because I'm a polygamist.